the awakening of ancient forces beneath the Grand Canyon. Beneath the towering cliffs and winding rivers of the Grand Canyon, a powerful force may be stirring once more. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field, a region that has erupted within the past 1,000 years, is showing signs that magma may be on the move. Could this indicate a future volcanic eruption in one of America's most iconic landscapes? What do scientists know, and are there warning signs we've overlooked? Join us as we explore the mysterious activity beneath the Grand Canyon and what it could mean for the future of this remarkable region. A hidden volcanic landscape. The Grand Canyon is renowned for its breathtaking vistas and immense geological history, but few people realize that it also holds evidence of recent volcanic activity. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field, located along the northern rim of the canyon, is a stark reminder that this seemingly ancient and stable landscape is still evolving. While the idea of a volcano within the Grand Canyon may seem surprising, past eruptions have dramatically altered its terrain, and they may do so again in the future. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field last erupted about 925 years ago, leaving behind dark basaltic lava flows and cinder cones. However, its history stretches back millions of years, during which lava has repeatedly cascaded down the canyon walls, forming spectacular lava falls. Some of these lava flows dropped over 3,000 feet, surpassing even the tallest waterfalls on Earth. These fiery torrents carved through ancient rock layers that are 1.7 billion years old, providing a glimpse into the powerful forces that continue to shape the region. Is a future eruption possible? At present, there are no signs of an imminent eruption, no lava lakes, no volcanic gas plumes, and no persistent earthquake swarms. However, the geological record makes it clear that the Uinkaret Volcanic Field is still active. Evidence of relatively recent lava flows on both the northern and southern rims of the canyon suggests that eruptions could happen again. In the past, some eruptions were so powerful that they blocked the flow of the Colorado River, forming natural lava dams. These dams, though seemingly solid, eventually collapsed catastrophically, unleashing devastating floods. One such flood, which occurred 165,000 years ago, sent walls of water 650 feet high, surging more than 30 miles downstream, ranking among the largest freshwater floods in geologic history. Although the potential for a lava dam reforming is concerning, modern hazards from the Uinkaret Volcanic Field are relatively low due to the region's sparse population. The primary risks of a future eruption would likely come from advancing lava flows, which could ignite wildfires, and minor ash emissions, which could disrupt air travel. Because of these low risks, the U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, classifies this volcanic field as a very low-threat volcano. However, the possibility of future eruptions cannot be ruled out, as the region remains geologically active. The forces beneath the surface, spanning 565 square miles, the Uinkaret Volcanic Field consists of 213 individual volcanic cones, each formed by a single eruption. Unlike massive volcanoes, such as Mount St. Helens, which erupt multiple times from the same vent, these cinder cones are monogenetic, meaning each one erupted only once before becoming dormant. The volcanic field lies between two major fault lines, the Hurricane Fault to the west and the Toroid Fault to the east. These faults, capable of producing earthquakes exceeding magnitude 7, serve as natural pathways for magma to rise from deep within the Earth's mantle. Some scientists believe that this volcanic activity is linked to a process known as lithospheric drip, in which sections of the Earth's lower crust sink into the mantle, triggering uplift of the Colorado Plateau and fueling sporadic eruptions. The volcanic field's fiery past. The volcanic history of the Uinkaret Field began 3.6 million years ago, when lava first erupted from the surface 15 miles north of the canyon's rim. Over the next 400,000 years, new vents opened, forming over 24 cinder cones, with lava flows extending up to 5 miles. Then, around 3.2 million years ago, activity mysteriously stopped for nearly 2.35 million years. However, Approximately 850,000 years ago, the field reawakened, this time inside the Grand Canyon itself. Lava erupted from a 1,500-foot-long fissure, spilling directly into the Colorado River. Over the next several 100,000 years, multiple high-volume eruptions reshaped the landscape. At least 17 different volcanic vents contributed to the formation of lava dams, emphasizing the persistent volcanic activity in this region. The most recent eruption occurred in 1100 AD, producing a spectacular lava fountain that shot hundreds of feet into the air. Over several months, intermittent explosions sent molten rock skyward, while lava slowly crept 2 miles from the vent. By the time the eruption ended, it had formed a small cinder cone and a spatter cone, leaving behind a fresh layer of dark volcanic rock. Compared to other volcanic events, this eruption was relatively minor, ranking only 1 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index VI. However, its occurrence serves as a reminder that the Grand Canyon's volcanic story is far from over. Beneath the surface, magma may still be accumulating, waiting for the next opportunity to reshape this iconic landscape. What lies ahead? Though the Uinkaret Volcanic Field has remained quiet for centuries, its past suggests that eruptions will happen again, whether in a few decades or thousands of years. For now, scientists continue to monitor the region, studying its volcanic history and the forces still at work beneath its rugged terrain. The Grand Canyon, a place of timeless beauty and immense geological history, remains a dynamic and evolving landscape. While its past eruptions are a distant memory, its volcanic future is yet to be written. Only time will tell when the next fiery chapter will unfold. Awakening forces beneath the Grand Canyon. Beneath the towering cliffs and winding rivers of the Grand Canyon, an ancient force may be stirring. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field, a region that has erupted within the last 1,000 years, is showing signs that magma could once again be on the move. Could this mean a future eruption in one of America's most iconic landscapes? What do scientists know, and are there hidden warning signs we've overlooked? Join us as we investigate the mysterious activity beneath the Grand Canyon and what it could mean for the region's future. The Grand Canyon, one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders on Earth, is best known for its breathtaking scenery and deep geological history. However, hidden within its rugged terrain lies an often overlooked but equally remarkable feature: an active volcanic system. The Uinkaret Volcanic Field, located along the canyon's northern rim, serves as a powerful reminder that this seemingly ancient and stable landscape is still very much alive.